Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will move further and we will start creating our website. So when we make our website live, you can see we have this type of template now, and totally mess, and our work is just gone away. No issue, we will recover that hopefully. And now you can see that we have this lock here because in the last video we have added the SSL certificate, and it's very important. Actually, SSL certificate will add this HTTPS thing to your website, and it will secure your website. It will create encryption on your website, so it's very difficult for hackers to hack your website. So if you don't have the HTTPS thing, a normal hacker can hack your website easily. So it is very important. So that you should have the SSL certificate initially. So here you can see that I can just go to the admin panel by pressing Google, paspantv.com/wp admin. Okay, at any time you can enter it to administrative panel or admin panel, and the username and password will be same which we have applied for the on the local host. So you can type username and password, and now hopefully we will be logged in to our dashboard. So we can save it because I will utilize this username and password later on as well. And now let's see what happened to our. So for some reason we can't fix out the issues, and we have to fix the issues, manuals and other things from scratch. So what I did is I have just uninstalled the older demo data, and again I installed the similar 24 template data. Okay, so let's wait for some seconds, and let's see what will happen after import now. Okay, so now we have imported the demo again successfully. So it's recommended that you should, if you have to create a website, you should purchase hosting and domain, and then you can install WordPress on live server as well. So otherwise your time will be wasted out. So it's good that we didn't have created too much content. We didn't have lot of changes. So it's nice, and that's beautiful. You can see that now everything is good. Now our website is live in a proper way, and you can see the domain, and we are on the live website. Beautiful. So now we will start customizing the logo, color, etc. again. Okay, and in next video we will select the category, and I will show you that how we can type out the posts and other things as well. So let's go back, let's go to the appearance, customize, and we will be on theme. Definitely we have created the logo as well, but I just forgot the color of the logo, so I will just open the Photoshop and get the color. We will go to logo and logo section, and we will just remove the older image. Go to the library, we will have the logo, and alternate text you should add. One more thing for favicon, I will also add alternate text. Okay, so here is the logo. Upload the logo and click on publish, and now the logo will be published. Beautiful. So you can see the logo looks very nice on the website. And now we will just move back, go to the desktop, go to the Passport TV, and we will drag drop the logo on the Photoshop. Okay, indeed it's already opened in Photoshop. So let's click here, let's select the color. So this is the color scheme which we want for our website, because we are from Pakistan and we need a Pakistani color, flag color scheme. So here you can see we can go to the general, I hope so. And in general we have lot of things, header and okay, sorry, where was the color? I will just check out primary menu, category menu, header, colors. Okay, here is the colors. So the main color, where is the main color? Okay, sorry for delay. Header, background color, header. Okay, this is not the right place. I just forget from where we have changed the, yeah, here we have the primary menu. Okay, we don't want to change the color one by one, we want to change the color at once. So where was the color actually? I think in general, and in general we have the font size, we have the header layout. Sorry, I was in actually a logo section and I was exploring these things. We should be back to the main section actually. So here the color will be in the general tab hopefully, and in the general settings we will find out the color hopefully at this point, or okay, body box, category search, GDBR, manage image, extra options, scheme colors, and here is the color, accent color. Okay, so this color we want to change, so let's paste our color which we have bring out. And now what happened? Yeah, now the color is changed, and now we have a green scheme. Okay, beautiful. So everything looks beautiful now, and we can just refresh the website, and here you can see that now we have the green scheme. If we open any post, hopefully you can see the color. So yeah, that's beautiful. And also if we go to the mobile view, hopefully the mobile view will be beautiful as well. You can see the logo in the middle, search bar, and the menu. Yeah, menu is also beautiful. Here you can see home, about us, contact, and advertise menu is there. So we will change these things definitely. And then the articles layout is also fine. So yeah, beautiful. So now what we will do in the next video, we will select some categories, we will finalize the categories, and then one by one we will add the posts in separate categories, and I will show you that how we can add a proper post which will be SEO friendly, and then we will move further. Goodbye.